easily, bitch.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're gonna catch the whole house on fire. Don't play with fire.
Bad idea.
I say fuck you, get a life. Man, I got too much shit on my head to have to deal with all of you.
Today is gonna be the day that you're gonna throw it back to you. By now, you should find out real love you got to. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do. You know, in all the world,
Do you have like imaginary friends who like I'm not here and nobody's here and you're home by yourself?
No.
Well, really? You don't just I bet you just sit here. Sit there and talk to radio people. Be like, hey Julie, hey Julie.
No, I don't have imaginary friends.
Imaginary friends?
Imaginary friends.
Imaginary?
Don't have imaginary friends. What's that? Shut up, Kevin! I don't have imaginary friends.
We'll get you help.
Cause you're my wonderwall.
Yeah, I'm going to call Miss Nina. Go! No! No! Mary, stop! Oh, yeah! No! No! Okay, yeah! Now how you like me now? Go! Yeah!
California girls were unforgettable. California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Duke, bikini on top, sun and so hot, no matter how they call.
Got it going on, your girlfriend say I ain't the one they hated when I call you. I hear him in the background.
I mean, why won't it turn on? Is it plugged in?
It's free.
And oh yeah, I forgot I unplugged it.
You know how retarded you are?
No.
You do that?
Ew, someone farted.
You did.
Come on, man. Hey.
Yes, no, yes, no. Yes, go left, right, oh, no. Yes, the battery fell out, yes. No, yes. Now you can. It need to be hollow.
Every time I look over my shoulder, I see you in all your hair.
Let's see. Can you see both of us?
Go back.
Can you? Okay.
You're gonna have this.
I'm trying to scoot over without hitting the couch. Wait, you can't scoot over? Scoot. Oh, wait, get. Hey. What are you doing? You're so much corner. I was gonna do this. I'm so stupid. God, you got a good brain on your head. What? Oh, I'm heading the wrong way.
You won't stop touching the camera when I fix it, gosh.
I finally found you, like,
my face! This thing cut me before.
like, ow, I think I just cut myself.